Breaking news, a powerful car exploded near the historic Red Fort in India's capital, New Delhi, has left at least 13 people dead and more than 20 injured on Monday evening local time. The blast, which occurred close to the Red Fort metro station, a busy area popular with tourists, set off massive flames that engulfed at least 6 vehicles and 3 auto rickshaws. Eyewitnesses said firefighting teams rushed to the scene and brought the blaze under control after several tense minutes. Police believe the explosion originated from a Hyundai i20 car, though the cause remains under investigation. Officials have not ruled out foul play, with investigators now probing all possible angles, including potential links to terrorism. A spokesperson for the Delhi police confirmed that the blast's exact origin and motive are still being determined, adding that forensic teams are collecting evidence from the scene. Authorities have cordoned off the entire area surrounding the Red Fort, urging the public to stay clear as emergency services continue rescue operations and evidence collections. This incident marks one of the deadliest explosions in the capital in recent years, sparking fears and heightened security alerts across key parts of New Delhi.